Being a cat is hard. It may seem easy. Well, it could be.
Oh, sweetie, I didn't know that you were in the bathtub. I'll go give you some privacy. Also, I need to scrub your paws and then your teeth.
Oh, you don't get privacy.
Darling, can you please turn it down? Besides, it's 8 p.m.
It's 8 p.m.
Darn it! I slept the whole day.
I was basically too tired to wake up. You don't get any privacy. And, worst of all, food fights.
What's for breakfast, Mom? What's for breakfast? I'll show you what's for breakfast. Food fight! We fight for food in this house. We do not ask for food.
Well, it just gets too awkward to be true. Anyways, bye. That's the day in the life of a cat.